Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. What are personal interviews? We all know what an interview is. Where an interviewer is the person who asks the question and the interviewee is the person who gives the answers. So, personal interviews are certain questions which are asked during the session of the interview, and the it is mostly divided into two broad types, which is structured or unstructured. So, whenever you see a person with a list sitting with a list of questions already written down, that is called a structured interview, or you can also say that structured interview is also known as standardized interview. So in standardized interview, there's a list of question which is already prepared by the interviewer, and he or she has to stick to those questions only which are present on the list, and he will ask the interviewee to answer those particular questions. So that list of questions is known as interview schedule. Now in a structured interview, you cannot change the sequence of the questions. In a structured interview, you find certain questions are already written in a sequence. So from simpler to complex they move, like starting from the name and certain basic details of the interviewer, moving on to more deeper questions. So there is a particular detail which is in which the questions are written in the structured interview, and interviewer cannot we can say he has no liberty to make changes in the sequence or in the wordings of the question also. And these questions are fixed, and they have mostly they have a closed ended answers. Closed ended means there's a word called open ended, which means that you are openly thrown a question and you can always answer in your own convenient way. Close ended means there are certain options A, B, C, D. You have to answer from among one of these, you have to choose one answer. So these type of interviews which are structured, they have a fixed set of questions and fixed sequence, fixed wordings, and they also sometimes have certain fixed answers. And out of the given four options, the interviewee has to choose one of the options, whether A or B or C or D. So this is known as a closed ended questionnaire. And this technique is also used in the questionnaire also, not only in the interview, it is also used in the questionnaire. Now coming to unstructured personal interview. Unstructured, as the name suggests, it is non-standardized, and non-standardized means no fixed questions are there. The interviewer is free to change the sequence of the questions, free to ask the questions. Only certain few important points are already written down about which the questions are to be included during the interview by the interviewer on his self discretion. The responses are also not always fixed in this case. As you know, the questions are also not fixed. There is no list of questions. Only certain areas are to be covered while asking questions, that is mentioned. The interviewer has the full liberty to make the wordings of the questions also, sequence of the questions also. Therefore, it is a more flexible approach in terms of asking questions, and the answers are also open ended, because as the questions are not fixed, you cannot fix the options also. You don't know what question you will be going to ask when you are interviewing, so you cannot also fix the answers or options. So when you have a flexible approach of asking questions, you also have a flexible approach of getting the answers, which is known as open ended approach. So open ended means you have to answer, the interviewee, the person who is giving the answer, can answer in his own ways and can answer as long as and as short as he or she wants. So this is much more flexible, unstructured, and structured is more rigid. because it has fixed questions. And there is one more thing in interviews. Interview can be conducted either individual to individual, only one person interviewing another person, or interview can be asked from an individual to a group of people sitting around. So one person asking question to many people, a group of people, like focus group discussion. Focus group discussion, where certain group of people who are expert in their fields are sitting, and interviewer is asking them the questions. It can be vice versa also. A group can also ask question from an individual, like you have heard in a panel interview, a group is sitting and an individual is answering them the questions they are asking related to the job. Or it can be group to group questioning also. So person interviews can in number of people it can change as it demands, and these are of two types, either structured or unstructured. Next, we will move on to the questionnaire in my next video. Thanks for watching.